name is Lilac Glo. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the Breville Blend Active. Yeah, I got this for Christmas and I thought I could actually just unbox it with you and also review it for you. So guys, let's get on with it. Very nice. You can actually put it in a glass from this if you want to share it, or if you're going out and you just want a quick smoothie on the go, you can then just exchange this and pop that one on and you're ready to go. So then, what's my verdict? It's a really nice, great little gadget. It comes with 2 bottles, which is quite good. You can make 2 different smoothies, and if you're going away or going to work or whatever, you can carry one, or if you've got somebody else who needs to carry one, they can carry one in a different container with a different mixture in it. So that is the positive thing. You don't have to put it in glasses, but if you want, you can. You've got that option. So that is a really good thing. It's an easy, very easy to use, self-explanatory. The disadvantage, honestly, is you need to keep your finger on that little button. once you remove your finger, it stops. Yeah, that's a shame. But other than that, it's simple, it's easy, not sophisticated, but really I think it is a really great gift for somebody, or if you just want something that you could actually use very quickly. You don't have to really spend a lot of time reading the manual and everything. It doesn't have a lot of buttons, so that is good. It actually crushed all the contents quite easily. I had apple, banana and plum and a bit of water, so that was okay. So yeah, that's really my honest opinion. I think it's really a nice little gadget. Not bad. It's not like a very powerful thing, but it does the job. Honestly, I think I like it. All right then, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and yeah, see you in my next video. Thanks. Cheers.